Hello everybody and welcome to the Crypto Disco, and today's video we're going to be talking about Vechain and where it's heading for the short term and how we can capitalize this in a quick trade. Now diving into the chart, as we can see right now, it looks like with Vechain it's currently forming a double bottom from here to there. Now usually with double bottoms it will go up halfway to there, come back down to anywhere within this region, and then you will try to push up towards this market and then try to go all the way back up into this region there. Now let me just delete all of this. Oh, making a mess out of the charts. Do apologize guys, just bear with me for 2 seconds. Okay, so speaking of which, if we zoom in to the daily charts, actually let's change it to the 4 hourly charts. Oh, my squiggles are so bad. Okay, so if we were to look at it from a 4 hourly chart perspective, it will give us a bit more details on how the chart looks like. Okay, now we can see like a rounding formation from here to there. So we are more than likely that we should be hitting back down into this region there, because the rounding top usually means it will come back down to this area over here. So that could be our first point of interest. If we zoom out slightly, we can see the bottom of this whole entire move. When it made its way up, it's going to be from here. So I'll show you guys exactly the things that I do to set myself up for all of my trades. I'll create this rectangular box over here, so that means this will be the first area of interest. Once we do hit within this region, then I would always try to hold on to this trade to get at least back up to this area first, and then watch carefully to the charts whether it will bounce back down or would it go completely up, beating this area there. Let me grab this tool, beating this area here to go back up all the way up to the red mark over there. Now let's say in a scenario that this chart or this trade does play out. If it comes here to there, as mentioned, it's roughly around about between 12-13%, but if it continues to go up without any pullbacks, then we are looking at more than 35-36% gains. Now I always do leverage trading, so I usually leverage between 2 if I'm not overly confident, but if I'm very confident I'll go in with a 5x leverage trade. Now you could do the maths with the 36 times 5. I'll instantly make my returns back on my initial investments. So if this is something that you are interested in watching, the way how I play out my trading strategies and how I place them, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so I can show you the trade setup. Even if you don't want to hear me speak at all, which I don't blame anyone, but you could at least see what I do with the chart to set myself up for the short term or the long term trading. So until then, thank you very much for tuning in, and I'll see you all in the next video.